Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to start Mazda CX-3 easy method. Place your foot on the brake, confirm the shifter is in park or neutral, and either turn the key or press the start button. Listen for the fuel pump prime and dashboard indicators to stabilize. If the engine does not turn over, check battery connections and fob battery. Stay calm and follow these steps to avoid unnecessary strain on the. Using push-button models is straightforward and reassuring once you practice. With your foot on the brake, press the start button once to wake systems, then press again to crank the engine. Watch the instrument panel for readiness lights and listen for a smooth idle. If it fails, release and wait a few seconds before trying again, and avoid rapid repeated attempts which can strain the starter and drain the battery. If the CX-3 won't start, a few quick checks usually fix the issue. Verify the key fob battery and try a spare key, check battery voltage and terminal cleanliness, and use safe jump starting if the battery is low. Inspect fuses for starter circuits and confirm neutral safety switch position. When in doubt, consult the owner manual or contact roadside assistance to avoid accidental damage or safety risks while troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.